Are you tired of the people that you have in the back of your van always screaming and attracting the police?
This is the most innocent question you asked.
If so, congratulations. And today, I'll teach you how to stop the screaming from the back of your van if you've just kidnapped someone. Allegedly.
Bro, don't start again.
So, if you have a friend that may have one in the back of their van, make sure to tag them below. Step number 1, as soon as you accidentally caught this willing individual to the back of your van, immediately tape their mouth shut. You see, if the US judges use this method on criminals, that means you can use it as well as an innocent civilian.
I guess everybody knows this step.
Step number 2, remember every human needs water to survive. So the people in the back of your van still want to drink. So anytime you give them water, grind up some melatonin into the water. That way, after they drink it, they will just fall asleep and stop screaming.
And what if I didn't have this thing?
Step number 3, the best part about a van is that it's an enclosed space just like a room. That means you can put soundproofing material all over the walls. You could essentially muffle out any screams so it can't be heard by anyone.
Man, stop that, you'll get me in trouble.
Step number 4, this technique is my favorite, and it's pretty simple. It's called the rock music technique. You'll basically disguise their screams as a part of a song by playing heavy metal music that already has a lot of screaming in it. This way, if the people heard something from outside, they'll just assume that it's coming from the speakers.
Bro, I have to get out of here.